Osmo Pocket, using with DJI mic series. The microphone transmitter included in the Creator Combo is pre-linked with the camera. Press and hold the power button. The transmitter automatically links with the camera for audio recording. The current volume level will be displayed in the camera view. The camera can connect to two DJI mic transmitters simultaneously. Enter Settings page in the Control Center. Tap Wireless Mic and then TX1. Follow the instruction on the screen to link. To connect two transmitters simultaneously, repeat the above linking process for the second transmitter. Once linked successfully, the camera will return to the wireless microphone settings page. Swipe down to adjust volume and other audio settings. Press the linking button on the transmitter to start or stop video recording, with the audio being captured by the transmitter.